This video is showing how to put a toggle switch on the TPMS sensor for a 2004 4th gen 4Runner, and this is for the V8 4Runner. It might work for newer 4Runners and older ones, I'm not really sure. But there are a couple other videos that show people doing similar things, but I didn't see one that had a toggle switch. So I'll show you how you can put a switch in it so you can turn the system off or turn it on whenever you want. Here's where the TPMS module is located. It is one screw right here. This kick plate comes down and it's in the passenger footwell. Here's the TPMS module, this brown box. You're gonna splice into this pink and black wire with a quick splice connector, and I'll post those in the description of the video. I ran this one green wire up into the glove box, and there's also another one back there that's tied into the frame. Up here in the glove box, those two green wires change colors and they go to this rocker switch. So here it is, just an on and off switch, off, on. Just to be clear, that pink and black wire, when you close that switch, it is grounding it to the frame. It sounds kind of weird, but that's what you gotta do. I'll show you what this looks like in practice. Turn the car on. All right, car's on. No warning lights. Open up the glove box. Here's that switch. Open the circuit. Boom. TPMS light is on. The car's still running. I haven't had to turn it off or anything like that. Car's still running. Close it. Close the glove box. And now that TPMS light is off. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a good day.